Okay. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. My name is Imoh Friday. In this video, we'll be looking at futures using Binance app right now. I'm currently logging to my Binance account on my laptop. So and I also have here with me Ayo is a professional crypto trader, and he also works in the capacity of an accountant. He's actually chartered accountant, so you can imagine the blend. So he will be taking us through features, showing you how to set up, how to start trading futures trading, and also showing you the risks that is involved in trading futures. As you already know, we have several trading approach. We have spot trading, we have margin trading, we have futures. So we're looking at futures in this video as we start. So stay with me, ensure you stay to the end of this video. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, please kindly click on this subscribe button below, and also click on the bell button so you get notified whenever we upload subsequent videos. As I said earlier, as I end episode 6 of cryptocurrency mindset, we'll be looking at more technical analysis, and but we are starting here with futures. So sit back, relax with a pen and barrel, and ensure you get value out of this content right now. So Ayo, over to you, please, so we can get this started immediately.
Yes, hello, good morning, guys. My name is Ayo and Imoh Friday. Thank you for the introduction. Okay, without much ado, today we want to learn about future. Like I normally say, just a common slogan, future is not for, there's no future in the future, but it's only for the risk taker. The higher the risk, the higher the gain, and the higher the loss too. And I also encourage anyone, if you want to trade future, use your spare money to trade future. Your spare money so that you will not be under pressure to sell at loss, or you will not be under any pressure, undue pressure. Okay, because future can deal with your psychological effects for the fact that you know that your account can liquidate. But on spot, the worst that can happen is it will drop and it will go back to normal. Just imagine SHIB was 0.05. You know, after the all-time high, it went down to 0.0005. But as we speak, it has done more than 10x from that spot, like 15x from that down. So in other words, if assuming somebody that traded it on the future, bought the odds the last time around February, around March or thereabout, it means there's a possibility that our account will have been liquidated. But those that hold it on spot, as of today, they are on profit. Those that bought Bitcoin at odd price in December 2017 through early January 2018, some that are still holding it as we speak, they are already in profit, like 3x profit, because then the odds was $20,000. So, and some people actually bought Bitcoin at that odd price. Those that are holding it, they are already like 2x, 3x profit now. So what I'm saying next is that on spot, the worst that can happen when you are buying good coin, not shit coin, when you buy good coin, the worst that can happen, it can drop, the price can drop. Your $1 million can become $100,000. Your $100,000 can become $10,000. At the same time, if it's a good coin, if you hold on to it, it will go back to the normal price. Okay, now we want to, like I said, let's quickly, more kindly go to derivative. The drop down will show you derivative. Okay. Before you do that, we want to use this account, so, and we want to make it more practical. Can you sell and move like $50 to that account from this place?
Okay, so let's see.
You have 103 in this account. Can you sell and move like $50 to, or maybe $20 on $20 at least?
Let me see. I should sell. Which of the coin do you think I should sell? I should sell CLV and LIT, right? That will give me approximately.
I won't encourage you to touch that CLV.
Okay.
It's Clover.
So look, I should say just LIT. LIT will be $36 and the SFP or BNB.
You can sell 50% of it. So if you sell 50% of it, what will it give you? What will it give you?
No, I can't. 50% of LIT will not give me. Will give me roughly that'll be $15. $15 LIT. So if I sell up LIT and I sell up BNB, that will give me roughly $40.
No, I'm not saying you should sell all. Just realize like 50%.
That's what I'm
just
saying.
sorry, like $20. So if you sell part of LIT,
okay, let me say part of LIT. Yeah, let me say no. Let me just say part of LIT. Let me just say $20 of LIT. I think that. Or what do you think?
Just sell parts, my brother.
Okay, let me just trade off. Okay. So to sell part, just do trade-offs, trade with LIT, you can see. It's like this because I'm using my system. If it was on a mobile phone, the interface wouldn't be like this. So as I click on trade, give me several options which I can trade off.
I've seen that you have LIT, the current value is $36.
Yeah.
While SFP, the current value is 21. Okay, from the LIT, just whatever you are doing, take the $16 from it, then the SFP take $10 from, take maybe $5 from it.
No, I can't trade $5. The minimum trade can go is $11. 10.10.
Yes, okay. I don't want you to sell the BNB. Okay,
fine. So let me just do let me just trade off LIT $20. Or I should trade off LIT $10 and SFP. So let's just trade off. Let me just do trade off for LIT first. Let me trade off LIT.
No, do for both. Do for both.
All right. So if I do LIT, this don't need this. Okay. So let's just go to trade off. So in our subsequent videos, we are going to do some analysis of all of this thing that you see here. So we are selling right now. So we locate our, excuse me. So let's just look for, yes. So we want to sell limits, we want to do limit order. All right, so we're going to look at, let me just, this 25%, how much is that? Let's see. At what rate? Should that market order, market price? I want to sell up. Let me look at 25%. That will be 9. This will not go for me. 30%. Yeah, this is $13 out of the 30 something. Let me just do $13. Yeah. So that will say $10 of the other one there. So okay, this is fine. So I'll just look at the price. Currently, let me see. The price is currently at it's currently at putting on 4.996. Let me just see. So let me quickly set that here. 4.96. 4.9. Is that correct? Okay. Label lights. Oh wow. No, it's not good. 60%. That is 6.6. Okay. Right. 4.5. So I think we are good to go. Let me just sell off. Price is coming down. Up it comes down anyway. So this is basically how to sell. So you can to create a sell order below for me. Created a sell order. Create a sell order for me. So let's go to SLP. Go to SLP and search for you. Okay. Okay, we trade off SLP. Let's see if this LAV is actually going up. Price, can see the price going up. It has actually it has been sold. So anyway, can we just work with the $18? What do you think?
It's okay, it's fine.
Yeah, $18 is fine. Yes, what we do. So what is the next step? Well, now once you have your money in your USDT, so that is the first step. Okay,
that is first step, yes.
You may not necessarily have to sell like we just did if you have made deposit of money in your USDT wallet. So you just have to hold USDT. All right, you can proceed.
Okay, go back to the home page.
We on page. Okay, it's not derivative you're looking for.
Yeah.
Is it what you're looking at?
Okay, now go to derivative. I can go to derivative.
There's features here. There's features here. Or you think with derivative?
No, that one is what that is wallet.
Okay.
Go to derivative.
Derivative. Okay. Yeah.
Go to USDM futures.
USDM futures. All right. Okay.
Click OK.
Okay.
Hello, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. Just close this page.
Yeah, this is like an instruction.
Okay. Then the next thing you need to do to move the font. Have you moved the font already?
Well, the fund is currently on USDT.
Yes, it's on USDT.
Moved. So
okay. Now, if you scroll to the right hand side where you see open, you see close.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. Okay, under it, you will see available balance.
Okay.
Available balance, you are seeing 0, 0. No, not that. Up above it.
Yeah.
Yes, available balance. Okay. In front of that available balance, you see arrow sign.
All right.
Click on it. That is transfer.
Okay. All right. So yeah, so we currently have $18 in our,
just press max. Yeah, just press max. Yes.
The reason why we are pressing max is because we want to actually move all the money. So, but I want to make it $18 exactly.
Yes.
So I just said that to $18. So that's the reason why we have to click max. So, but if you just want to move exact amount, you can adjust that and let it be what it is right now. Right, so we are moving from spot because we have the money in a spot wallet, where our USDT is. So we are moving it to the USDM future wallet. So that is the reason for this process. So I'm going to click on confirm right now. So I click on confirm. So the money should be in is now in our available balance, as you can see. Yeah. So the money is now in our available balance. I think I'm
available balance. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So then by default, when you just go to the future, the coin you see by default is BTC. In front of the BTC, that is your right, your left hand side corner. The drop down. Let's try CELR, cell.
Okay.
Let's try
You can search for it.
currency.
CEL. Yeah. Okay, this is it. USDT,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
So clicking on that.
Okay. There's a possibility that let me see the entry that we need to enter. Imoh, I'll send you something.
So that means okay. That
Imoh,
means
what is the current price?
the current price is 0.1154. 0.1155. 0.1154 current price.
I just said you something now.
Okay.
On what?
Please.
Okay, let me send it again. I need to
seen
edit
it.
I need to edit it.
Okay. So
That first is wrong. It's not 0.9, 0.09.
0.09. Okay,
So
now
I've
it's
edited
currently
it.
okay. So I think it has gone up. It has gone up. So
No, the buy zone is 0.09 to
0.11. Okay.
What is the current price now?
Current price is 0.11.
0.11. Okay.
So
Let's buy. Okay. Now,
okay.
When you scroll down, are you on now? Change cross. You see, cross is okay. Change the one in front, 20 to 20x to 10x.
Okay.
Though I will encourage before, because we are putting it on the record, I will encourage anyone, don't ever at any point in time go above 10x. It is advisable. It is advisable to do 5x.
Oh, wow.
The reason is that you are borrowing money. So the higher your X, you might not know the extent at which the thing you just see, you are able to buy a whole lot. Not knowing that it's because the X the leverage that you use is allowing you to buy more, is high. Okay. That's why it's allowing you to buy more. So you might be carried away to go ahead. You can use 10x, 50x if you're already a master of it, or to know. Okay. 10x, 20x, 50x cannot give you extra profit.
Oh, wow.
Okay, cannot give you extra profit. It's what it does for you. Extra profit. If let's say at 10x you buy 50 units, and at 50 you buy 50 units, it is still the same profit you get. Oh, wow. What this leverage does for you is for you to be able, with little amount, if you increase the leverage, you'll be able to buy more. Can buy more. And the more you buy, the higher the risk.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Before you go ahead, can you close this sharp page? Let's quickly do something.
Should I confirm yet? Not yet. I shouldn't
confirm. No, don't confirm yet.
All right.
So if you log into this page, the leverage by default is always 20x.
Yeah.
So now go back to where we are coming from, where you moved the front. Behind it, you see something like a calculator.
Yes.
Click on it.
I see it.
Yes.
Click on it. So,
okay.
Sorry, in this trade, are we taking long or are we taking shorts?
Long.
All right.
Okay, so what Imoh is asking is, when it comes to future, you can make money on both ends. Okay. What I mean by making money from both sides is, if you know that market is going to come down and you short. When you short, a market goes to that direction, you are making money. If you know the market is going to go up, if you long, and the market is going up, you are going to make money. Okay. Unlike sport is just one direction, only to go up. That's where you make money. Okay. But on future, if you are a master of it all, you can make money. If you know, okay, market is going to come down, you short. That means it goes along with your prediction.
Yeah.
Shorting is you make money. If you long, the market is going to go up. You long it. Okay. Okay. Also, before we do the now Imoh, can you change it to 10x?
All right, so do that to 10x.
Okay, now if you add this page, you are at the top, you will see P and L, meaning profit and loss. So we'll first do P and L, then we'll show you how to do the target price, the liquidation.
Yeah, here's the P&L, profit and loss.
Profit and loss. Okay. Now come to entry price.
Entry price.
So let's say you are entering at 0.11.
As we have, as we saw on the chart already.
On the chart. So you just want to come and see the result here before you enter. The exit price, let's say 0.2.
0.2.
0.2. Then quantity, let's say 100.
Are we to determine the quantity we want to buy, or our amount should determine the quantity?
Just go ahead. Just go ahead. The amount. Just click calculate.
Calculate.
Have you done that?
Yes.
So if you move a bit to the right and you see the result there, the result is telling you the initial margin is, that means for you to buy it at 10x. Okay, 10x. If you buy 100 quantity, the price, the charges is 1.1.
Yeah.
Then if you sell it at that target price, you make $9. The percentage of what you make is 800 and something percent.
Yes.
You get. Now, Imoh, can you increase it to 500 the unit?
500 units per. So guys, if you have questions, please drop your question in the comment section and we'll definitely get back to you for any further clarification, guys.
Click calculate. So you see that on 10x, now as we increase the quantity is now, the margin price is 5.5. Yes. Meanwhile, if you are to buy that 500 on spot, you'll be paying more than 5.5.
Yes.
Okay.
True.
So you'll be paying like $50 or 55. Yeah. Yes, you'll be paying $55.
Yeah, 55.
But this one is 10x.
Yeah,
that's
10x,
why you're 5.5.
And you see, have some money left in your futures account.
In your futures account, you can see that the free and air profit has increased to 45. Your return on investment is still the same. Okay, now go to target price.
Target price, okay.
Okay, sorry, Imoh, before you go to target price, assuming we want to short, we know that market is going to come down.
Okay.
Then the icon at the top, you can see that long is active, is green.
Yes.
You click short, it will be red.
Okay. So let's click short.
It will switch from that green to red. So you are on short now. Yeah, click calculate. I want to show you something.
On the same amount.
Yes, calculate.
Okay.
What do you see? Minus 45. You know why?
Okay.
We are entering at 0.1. And on short is we are predicting it's going to come down.
Yeah.
So your exit price is supposed to be below. But this can also be a typical example.
Yeah. Of what happens if it now goes otherwise.
If you go otherwise. Yeah. Now, if you actually go otherwise, imagine this account is already liquidated because you don't even have up to $45 in that account.
Yeah, liquidated. So it then means that, okay, the profit and loss, right?
The loss is already more than what you have.
Yeah.
You get.
Yeah, it's liquidated. So you might likely be owing themselves anyway, most likely.
No, it won't get to this price before it will
yes.
Once
you
get to
what you have to liquidate and you're closing.
Just close the account.
That is true.
You get now.
Even though you're using $5.5, it will record the loss is minus 45. So it will enter the balance of your money in your future account and empty it for you.
empty it for you. It won't get to 45. So now another thing you need to know here is that if it's on spot, if this happen on spot, you enter at 0.11 and market, let the market
otherwise.
Let market do otherwise. We can say the market has done down by half. The worst you can happen is that, let's say you buy that 500 at $55. Market now done by half of the price you enter it. What will happen to you is that the market has your 55 has now becoming like $20 or 20 something dollar.
Yeah. We'll just wait for it to rise back. So
just wait for it to rise back.
Yeah, and so you're safer there.
That's why you are safer to play on spot than to play on future. Do you see the difference now?
Yeah. Future is for
so
risk.
If market go otherwise, now you might do the long because market spot is generally for long. So do the long.
Okay.
Now change the entry price to 20 to 0.2.
0.2.
Change the exit price to 0.11.
Yeah. It's otherwise.
Then click OK.
So you can see it's C minus.
So now your initial margin is 10. So now what will happen is, if it's on spot, that you buy 500, that 500 will be $50. If you buy at 0.2, okay, if you buy at 0.2, it will be $100. Sorry, it will be $100. Buy at 0.2, it will be $100. And market now drop to 0.11. So 0.11 now, it means your $100 is now currently $55. Do you get my point?
Yeah.
If you buy 500 units on spot at 0.2, that means you are paying like $100 to cost you $100.
Yep.
If it will cost you $100, let's the market now dump to 0.11. It means your $100 has now dropped to $55.
Yeah.
That is the worst that can happen to you.
True, of course.
And you go back, whether you like it or not, you go back to the price.
Yeah, definitely.
Now the price, the amount you have here currently is
$10. It's $18.
$18.
Yeah.
And it means this account will have been dated.
It
will not even wait
for it. Wait for it.
Okay. So now, Imoh, can you go to target price? I hope that part is clear.
Very, very clear. As I said earlier, if you're watching this video, once we upload it to our YouTube channel, please, if you have any question on this, drop it in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. So let's go to target price right now. Target price. All right.
So let's say you just want to know the percentage of what will be if you enter at entry price, put the entry price, let's say 0.11.
10x.
0.11. The entry price.
Okay.
Then return, say you want to gain 1,000%. Put 1,000.
1,000%. Okay. Calculate.
Click calculate. It means your target price is what? Is 0.22. So you can set at 10x. Don't forget at 10x.
Yeah. So you now set your stop loss or probably your take profit at 0.22.
Your take profit. Yeah, take profit at 0.22. 0.22. Are you following?
Yeah, definitely.
Then go to liquidation.
Liquidate price. Okay.
So liquidate price, entry price is 0.11.
Let me put it on 10x, very important.
Yeah.
Entry price 0.11. All right.
So yes, quantity is 500.
500.
You just want to use 500.
Yeah.
You can see that by default, it's already puts your
balance
there. Then click calculate. if is assuming you don't even have anything there, you can just type an assumption balance.
So liquidate result 0.07.
So it means, see the liquidation price. If you enter at 0.11 and this market dump to 0.07, your money is, that $18 is gone in that account.
Wow.
Is it clear?
Yeah, very clear. Very clear. Very clear.
Okay. Very clear. Okay.
That is for long now. This for long. So once
this for long.
This for long. Once the market you want to calculate entry price, if it goes otherwise, right?
Yes, and it
goes
dumped to
otherwise.
0.06.
Yeah. So this your account will be liquidated
for $18 that you have, and if
yes.
you buy 500 quantity, now change that 500 to 100.
Okay.
Calculate. So that means you have nil liquidation. So even with this $18, you have nil liquidation.
In fact, that means that you're not owing anybody. Your money is sufficient enough to take the losses. Is that not what it means?
It's enough at this unit you are buying that no matter what happens, at least if market tanked, go otherwise, at least it will come back later, but you are still safe.
Okay. That means that means there's nil liquidation. Yeah, true. Because the amount is actually low. The quantity is actually low.
So change it to 200. So you can see your liquidation price at 200.
But it's not showing negative there. That's the amount that's liquidated.
If you get to 0.2, it will liquidate, which I don't think it will, except flash crash. Flash crash can happen anyway, which nobody expect that. So that is all done. That one is abnormal circumstance that normally happens once in a while. So change it to 300. Okay. So you have seen your liquidation price at 300. So I think that's better. Okay. Then go to maximum open.
So why are we doing maximum open? Okay, right there.
Yes. So what it does for you is that, let's say at 10x, okay, at 10x at the current price, it will not give you the maximum units you can buy.
Okay. Oh, that makes sense.
So put the price
entry price 0.11. 0.11. Okay.
Then calculate
with the money. So, oh wow. You can buy up to 1,600. Right? Is that what it means now? And we have been using 500 as case study, right?
As a case study. Now, but if you buy this 1,006, your liquidation price will be very high. Go back to liquidation. Type in 115. Just don't even 15.
Okay.
Let's see the liquidation price.
Okay, let's see at 0.
Yeah, it will be very close to the entry price. It's very close to 0.11.
0.09. Yeah.
Some people, some high risk taker will go for it.
Yeah, because the profit will be, let me put at 10x. Sorry, I didn't put at 10x.
No, doesn't matter. Okay. If you go and put it at 10x, it's still the same price again.
It's still the same price, yeah. Wow. So this one, your liquidation price is so near. If it mistakenly goes otherwise by 0.01, you are actually out of the game.
Because this is so some
Yeah,
risk
if it
taker will
goes,
say, I'm
but
not sure
but what if it goes otherwise? You make a lot
but
of money.
this is good. Like when you already know that probably this is like a
Yeah. Yeah,
bottom pot.
from your TA and analysis that it can never come down. But that is for sure. But at times it comes down quickly and goes up again. Before it comes
And
down
goes up
below that
again.
price, then you have
So
been off the game before.
of the game. Now let's do 1,000. Do 1,000. Let's see what will give you 1,000.
Okay.
Can see that's also high.
Yeah.
Okay. So now go to open price. How we are following and
Yeah.
is getting clearer.
If it's not clear, I think you can rewatch this video. I think this video is
And mainly we are an example we have been doing so far is on long and long.
Yeah. Yeah, and I think it also applies to shorts.
It also applies to shorts, yes.
So we are in the open, and if you observe, this training is live. We are taking live scenario here, and we are going to enter the trade as we have we are getting to understand the whole this. What we are doing right now is just checking to know your expectation so that you know what to expect if it goes otherwise, and if it goes the way you plan it, and you can be rest assured of what you're expecting. There are no surprises here. So that's just what we're trying to clarify here. All right, let's go. Let's continue.
Okay. Open price. This one is to calculate for you what we call DCA, dollar cost average.
Dollar cost average. Okay.
Dollar cost average. It means, let's say, like I usually advise people, buy small, and small.
Yeah, but that is possible in sport. It's also possible in
yes,
futures trading.
Yes.
Oh,
yes, wow. You just put ahead. So this one you can, so probably it will just for you to see if I enter now, if I enter at this price later, what will be my average entry price? Do you get?
Yeah.
So if let's say if you enter at 0.115, you buy 100 units, do that now. Then click the plus sign.
Hold on, please. Entry 0.11, right?
115.
115. Okay, that's what it is right now.
Yes.
Then the quantity 500.
Quantity 100.
500. 500. Let's do what we want to practice. Okay.
Then click the plus sign.
A plus sign. Okay, you want to enter again. Okay, in case it come down again. No, in case it goes up.
Down.
Okay. Since we are longing now, okay, you are longing. Yeah, in case it come down again. Yeah. Since it come down again. Yeah, since we are longing.
Because your entry price is supposed to be 1.112. 112.
Okay, 112. Okay, see 100.
Quantity,
this makes sense.
200. You increase the quantity. 200.
Yeah.
200.
Okay. Then we add again.
Then 0. Another one 0.11. 0.11. Though this price is so close, you can have a gap.
Of course, maybe 0.009.
So
then put maybe 250
or put 300 or put 500. Put 500.
No, since we have total of about 1,600 to buy, Abby. Let's put 500.
No, let our target just be 1,000.
1,000. Okay. All right, cool. So I think we cannot for that. We can no longer add anymore. Okay, we can say.
Let's just. Of course, you can add as many as.
Oh wow! Let me add 0.09. 0.05. That's what I had before. 0.09. So let me just
0.09. No, 0.009. 0.009.
I have to add. Okay. Okay, that. So we'll put
No, it's 0.0998. 0.098.
okay. All right.
No. Not 0.1, it's 0.098.
Okay. Okay. All right, that's cool. 98. Okay. So we'll put in, this is already 800. We'll put in we are looking at 1.5, right? Or 1,000.
Okay, change that 500 before to 300, and they change this one to 500.
Yeah, that's much. So this should be 300. Should be 500. Okay. So
Calculate. Let's see.
let's calculate.
So what's your average price? Average price is at the top.
Yeah, is it? Average price is 0.1.
It's 0.1. Imagine, let's assume that it all eats all the open price. So your average entry price will not be
0.105. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. Well, this is getting so interesting. I hope you guys are following through. I just need to do this so we can, or as I said earlier in my previous video, so we can all earn together and grow together financially. It's very important.
Can you close this page now? Okay. At least you've seen the result. Then go back to I'm coming a bit. Go back to settings. Click on the settings. I'm looking for something.
Where?
Click on the setting above.
Can I see setting? Yeah.
Yes. Click on it. No. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for. Hold on. Click on the icon above the calculator. Let me see what's there. Okay.
Limit order is an order to buy or sell a specific
product. No. That's not what I'm looking for.
Yes,
I'm looking for something.
Let me take this guy out of here. Can you see from here?
No. I'm looking for something. Click on calculator again. Let me see. Maybe it's hidden there. No. Close it. It's not. Sorry, guys. I'm looking for something. It should be other setting. But I just want to.
Anyway, from this
click on that setting again. Maybe what I'm looking for is sitting there.
Okay, let me just take this out of here.
Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down.
I don't think this can scroll unless I minimize my screen. Is it okay?
Okay. Close it. What I'm looking for is very, very important. Let me see. Sorry, guys. If it's on just a minute, if it's on the mobile app, I'll quickly see it. Let me quickly check it here.
Check your mobile app. Probably.
So, assuming I'm on my direct system, I'll be able to see from my end. Sounds like that. Yeah, Imoh, are you with me?
Two live. Real life and direct.
Okay.
Ain't going nowhere.
Can you help me look for there's a button called features.
Okay.
On the mobile is 3 dots in front. It will be in front of the name of the coin. a minute. Let me
look at the
see.
screen. Or look at my screen. Is it this very one?
No,
Futures
no,
phone.
no.
Okay. Okay. Hold on, let me just check. Strategy trading. Future grid.
No.
Back to information. Futures. Okay, the dashboard. Oh, let's check my screen. Is it what you're looking for?
Click
Can
the
you tell
information
me?
again. Click information.
Where?
Click information.
What is that? Okay, information.
Information. Training data, training desk. No. It's not there. Click on, I think I've seen it. Click on, okay, I've seen it. I just enlarged it. So now, this is how you see it in front of where you have the coin,
Okay.
name, the price. No, after the price, the mark, index, funding, 24 hours change, 24 hours high. It continues to go like that. Okay. Then the next button in front, 3 dots in front. Oh, okay, it's not that. Okay, come under it where you have like it's a rectangular box. No.
For a chart. Well, let me check here. It is just the week.
Okay, yeah. Imoh,
what?
Can you wait? Click the button in front of close. Open. We have close. Then we have another button in front of it.
Where is that?
Another icon.
Can you mention where you're talking about? Just mention the name.
That's at the right hand side. You have open, you have close. There's another button in front.
Okay.
There's an icon.
Is it this?
Active.
Is it what you mean?
Yes, preference.
Okay, so please, sorry guys, we just take note of where we are clicking right now, and this is where it is. I'm using my laptop. Probably after this video, I might do a video with my phone, but let's just work with the laptop right now. For many, I know a lot of people want to use a laptop too to do stuff like this. For
also be using that. Click on the icon.
So
click preference.
Okay.
Have you done that?
Yes.
I'm trying to see what you have on your.
What I have here is order confirmation, position mode, price protection, notification, asset mode. We also have those check boxes to actually look at it.
So I'm not seeing your screen, sorry.
Can I see my screen?
It's your image on the screen now.
No. All right. What about now?
I'm not seeing it.
I believe I'm seeing on left. Hold on. Am I still on recording right now?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Yeah, I'm still on.
Okay, Imoh, can you enable me to share? Let me quickly share my screen.
Yeah, my screen is see. Hold on, let me see. No, can you see now?
No. Can you enable me to? Can you stop sharing? Enable me to share.
Okay, let me enable you.
Let me quickly show our viewers where to locate it, what we are looking for on the mobile.
Okay. Okay. Meeting. Hold on, please.
Enable multi-sharing.
Yeah, I'm looking for that. Looking for that. Pause, disable, iFlow, sound share. Meeting.
Stop share, then enable multi-sharing.
Okay, let me stop share. Okay. Multiple pattern share. Okay. I think you can share now if you look closely.
Yes, I can. So I'm in that account that you are using now. You can see the 18. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yeah.
Okay. So let me switch back to that coin. So, okay. Now, in front of the price, you see an icon. The first icon is the chart icon, which I just clicked now. Is the chart icon to display the charts. So this is on one-day chart.
Can you go back again? Can you go back again? Let me see if I can get like an indicator here. Can you go back again? Okay.
Where I am now.
Yeah, I know. Yes, we are. So I'm trying to see if I can get like a pointer that will point to what you just said right now. From this screen. Let me see. Okay, let me see. If I can't get, we'll just continue anyway. So maybe when I edit the video, I will actually do some pointing. Yeah, just go on. I'll have to edit the video.
Okay, again. So in front of the name of the coin, you see the percentage change.
Yeah, 0.98.
0.99, 0.1.
I know.
The next to it is another icon.
Like a candlestick. Yeah.
So that one is for chart. If you click on it to take it to the chart. So I'm on one-day chart. You can see the one-day chart. So let me change it to 1 week. Okay. I've changed it to 1 week. So this is the one we want to trade. And our target is 0.22. Okay. So let me go out of here.
So anyway, if you check, if you go to the 4 hours chart, the price seems to be looking toward the down side. That's it. There's a downward trend if you're on 4 hours chart.
No. It's only 1 week that will show you a downward trend.
Yeah, 1 week. Yeah. Okay, that means that I mean we're not waiting for 1 week anyway.
So if you see 15 minutes is pointing towards up, 1 hour,
yeah.
4 hour, even one day is saying it has been even that day that like last week there was a massive dump. It didn't go below 0.11.
Wow.
Do you see it? See where it's done from? It done from 1.15 to it didn't go below it.
Yes,
and since then it has been consolidating. It has been consolidating within this price range.
So if I may ask, so what time frame do you think is best for traders to use while they are if they want to enter if they want to analyze coin? What time frame is the best for future trading?
From 15 to 1 week. You give 15 to 1 week. 15 will give you the immediate reaction. Okay. Then 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week give you the macro view of the market direction.
And so that also has to do with how soon you want to quickly take profit. So
yes. So let me go out of here now. So now in front, after the bar, there's one icon, which is this. If you want to convert, that one is for conversion. We don't need that. Then the last icon, 3 dots, which is a horizontal dot, 3 horizontal. Click on it. That's what I was. So here you see, can you see my screen? Here you see calculator, you see everything that you want.
Yeah.
You see everything here. So the preference that asks you to click there, you can see it here. If you click it here, you will see, click the preference. See, it takes us here.
Okay.
That time, when you click on that icon, do you see this that is displaying here?
Yeah, it showed me order confirmation. It gave me it gave me this stuff. Give me this stuff.
Oh,
I have to go back to check, but just proceed since we are recording.
okay. What we're trying to do here is position mode setting. Now, before you start trading on future at all, the first thing you need to do after you answer the question, the reason why this didn't ask us questions and answer is because we already entered the future before here on this account. So now, before you start at all, you need to do what? Position mode setting. What position mode setting? If I click on it, that second icon, you can see that it is ticked. You have two options. You have one way,
edge mode.
And you have what? You have two way. So two way, you have to click on what? Hedge mode, two way. That hedge mode it means on a single coin. If you enable it on a single coin, you can long and you can short.
Okay.
So it's not one way direction. One way direction is you can only do one at a time.
At the time.
On a particular coin. What I'm trying to say is that as let's say you open like two positions, okay? Two positions.
Understand. Like on different coin.
When I say position on different coin.
No.
Different coin. Let's see CRR.
I was thinking.
Just a minute.
Okay.
You open two positions on different coins. What I mean by position is this is one coin, CELR.
Yeah.
Then you open another coin, maybe PRT.
Okay.
So you can do this one. Maybe you long this one. Okay. Maybe GRT, you can short it. Okay. But when you do edge mode on a single coin, you can do both.
Exactly what I want to
clarify.
Yeah.
So don't get confused. That I use two positions now. Yeah. On future, you can do long, you can do short.
On the same
coin. Because you are doing long you are doing long on a particular coin, does not preventing you from doing short on another coin. But that will be another coin.
No, what other clarify? Okay, if you do another coin.
Yes, if you do not enable the edge mode,
okay,
you can do long, you can do short, but it has to be on different
coin. Oh, it's clear now.
I don't know if you get my point.
It's very clear now.
So don't be confused that I say it's a one way. One way does not mean that you can only be doing long, you can only be doing short.
Okay.
So you can do long, you can do short on different coins at the same time. But when you enable the edge mode on a single coin, you can do both long, you can do both shorts. So in other words, you can open two separate positions for a single coin. Like this one now, let's say you are not really sure of the direction, market direction, and you want to play long. So no, you want to still play future. Now you can, look at, after your analysis, you can now look at, in this analysis, market in the long run tends to go higher, but in the shorter time, markets will dump. Are you with me? Are you with me? So after that, you can also, on this particular coin, since the direction is not certain, let me
do long, and short.
Let me do long. Okay. From here, let's say, since your mindset is telling you long is longer time, you can do more. Maybe if you are not doing long, maybe you can do more quantity on long, then smaller quantity on short. So as the market is dumping, you are gaining on the short, you are losing on the long. But the advantage is that it will also, if you open the two, it will reduce your liquidation price, one. Then two, as the short is making you profit, when you are okay with it, you close the short. You know, that as you are closing the short, it has increased. Maybe if you have $18 before, maybe you have now closing the short with $2 profit. It has increased your your fund to from what $18 to $20. Do you get the point now? Then market, maybe that market wants to make a U-turn to go up. You just close your short. You already made profit from it. Okay, the profit will be added to your fund. Then it will also reduce, because when your fund is increasing, it will be reducing your liquidation price for the long. Do you get?
Yeah.
No, this is actually a bit technical, but you have to understand.
I know. Very, it's very obvious.
So, but you try to understand reason behind it and try to explain what you are trying to do and what you are trying to achieve. So your fund has increased and your liquidation price will drop. Then as the market is now going up, you are not making money from the long again. Do you get?
Very, very clear.
Now, another thing you can do now that you are now closing the short, your liquidation price for the long has now dropped. Now, market has also dropped. You can now add more to your long, and it will now drop your DCA, your dollar cost average will now drop, just like what we did that entry price. So you're already closing your short at profit. As you are closing your short at profit, you are adding a bit to your long. So it will not drop the initial price down. So as the market is not going up back again, maybe you enter at 0.11, market has done to 0.1110. So maybe you are now in between 0.105 from the initial 0.11. As market is going back up, you are once you get to 0.105, you're already at break even. Once you pass there, you're already at profit. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Of course.
So that's that part. Then the next one to do is stop loss, take profit. But now we have not opened any position, you'll be able to use that.
Of course.
So
do you want to continue that on this call, or want to reschedule that? If it's possible, we can go on with it.
No, if you take position now, we can quickly. Should we buy, or can I buy from here, or you buy?
No, you can buy from there, since you have the screen right now.
Since I have the screen, and I believe majority of people will be using their phone.
Yeah.
Like I said before, if you enter in front, you see this icon. Click on it. Hope you see. Now let me explain the icon I just clicked. After the name of the coin, the percentage increase, followed by the
candlestick.
The horizontal 3 dots is what I click. It will display this. That's where you also see the calculator. If you are using mobile, you see the calculator, you see the trading view, you see the rules, you see all the trading data and so on. Then you click preference. For the preference, you change the edge mode. For the calculator, you do your calculator to know your liquidation price and so on. I don't know if it's clear.
Yeah, which what we have done already. So
which we have done already. So, yes, that is what we have done on the screen. So we are also using mobile to do that at the same time. So now let me just take a position. This thing has gone up again. Let me just take a position. I'll buy on spot. Okay, now this is also very important here. Now you can see open. Now at the same time, I'm changing this to 10. Okay, then always change the market mode. Margin mode is always 2. It's either isolated or cross. So it is always advisable to use cross margin. Always advisable to use cross margin. Why? Because cross margin, if probably you are, is an advantage of it is that if you are making profit on one, you are making loss on one, it will average the two at the same time.
Can you say that again, please?
Now, if you have more positions, like what do I mean by position? You are opening more than one coin, like 2, 3. So the 3 of them will be dependent on each other. It will not be isolated. Okay, so if one is making profit, it will be benefiting to others. If let's say one now, the liquidation price is high, and in another one you are making enough profit, the enough profit you are making, it will be consolidating and reducing the liquidation of the one that
Or
you
the
have
other one.
on
That
the
makes
other one.
sense. That makes sense.
That makes sense. And at the same time, the disadvantage is that if market is going down and the let's say you have 3 positions and the 3 of them is going down at the same time.
Hello, are you there? Hello.
The price of each one will not be.
I think we lost you for like 5 seconds. I guess a call is coming through your phone. So
sorry, I'm using my mobile and my call just came in to drop.
I think we lost you at the point where you mentioned that if they are all going down, if the 3 coins are actually going down, so can we just pick it up from there?
Yeah, it will be disadvantage because let's say a particular one that you even have nil liquidation, you start seeing the liquidation price showing up a bit by bit because markets, they are all going down at the same time. So your liquidation will be increasing. But if it's isolated, let's say, what do I mean by isolated? Let's say you have $100 in the future, you do isolation, you open 3 positions. Now each position will take its own portion from the total value that you have. Let's say you enter a coin and it take from that 100, it take $50. Let's say it take $40 from the 100. The $40, if as the market, maybe what the cost of what you buy is $10. So now, but it has already taken $40 from it has removed $40 from your available balance. The position, what you bought costs only $10. So now what it's saying is that this $40 is a sort. This
guy just keep calling you. I don't know.
Honestly, just a minute. Let me finish you some parts.
Just chatting up. Let me pause the recording.
Pause. Okay, so what I
think your network is affecting. Another call again?
Honestly, different calls.
You want to pause the recording right now?
No. So let's say you have 100. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So the 100 now, you do isolated. So now when you do isolated, let's say you buy a particular coin and the coin, it costs you $40. It costs you $40. It's only $10. So now, but it's the market allocated 40 for that coin that you bought. Okay. It has already allocated 40. Are you with me now? So what it means is that 40 it will be taken from your $100. Okay, so that means you can use 60. You can use 60 as the available to buy other one. Let's say other one you now buy another one. It's allocated 30 for it. Another one allocated 30 for it. Do you get my point now?
Yeah.
What happened is that what is happening to one will not affect
the other one. Yeah. Because it's isolated.
So it's isolated. So if anything happens to the one of 40, the cost of the coin you bought is $10, right? But total value that you are allocated for it is 40. So if market is dumping, and just like that time you are trying to buy with this $18 now, what we're trying to buy is around $5, right?
Yeah.
$5, but allocation that you have there is $18. Are you with me?
Yeah.
That $18. So
Hello.
So in that case too, purchase coin worth $5, worth $10, but you allocated 40 for it. So if it jumps to that 40, it's only that 40 that you will lose. Your $60 will still be there. Do you get the point now?
Yeah.
So what is meaning is that as you are buying on the isolation, as you are buying any coin, it will be allocating from your balance. It will be allocating a portion for you. I don't know if my point is clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
Do you get my point now?
Yeah, sure.
It will be allocating from your balance. If you have 1,000 there and you buy a particular coin on the isolation, that 1,000, any coin that you buy, it will allocate a portion
of the amount that you deposit. It won't pick all of them.
The amount you buy, and when the market drop, the portion that he has taken from you, if market drop and everything, maybe the whole thing is now, so it has allocated 200 for that particular coin. So if anything happens and that 200 is exhausted, it will liquidate only that 200. Same thing for if you have like 3 coins, so each one is isolated. What is happening to one will not affect the other. So and if that one liquidate, it will only liquidate that portion that already been allocated for it.
Sure.
I don't know if my point is clear.
Yeah, it is. It is.
But in the cross margin is different. It's not the same.
I think the benefit of cross margin is you doing more than one position. And also, what if you're not doing more than one position? You just want to do just one position.
The benefit of cross margin is that it's not allocating. Hold on. Let me pause the recording. Baba, mechanic him to carry the card.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I don't know if my point is clear.
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
So what I'm trying to say is that in the isolation, it will allocate from your balance. As you are buying each coin, it will be allocating a portion of your balance for it. And once that portion is exhausted, maybe if market go otherwise, whether for long or for short, once market go otherwise, it will only liquidate that portion that already been allocated for that coin. You can increase your allocation, no? If you buy more, you can increase the allocation. Do you get my point?
Yeah.
But for the cross margin, every coin you are buying, they are all dependent on the total value. So what is happening to one?
Of your deposit.
Yes, on the total value, total fund you have in the. So that one is not. No one is apportioning separate amount for his own. They are all dependent on the total value that you have. And as one is increasing in price, maybe you are making profit, it will be benefiting to others. So that's the difference between the two.
Okay, so it makes sense.
Okay, so now let's quickly buy one. Let's quickly buy one. Let's see. Let me buy 100 now, 100 units. So you can see that the cost at 10x, that 100 units is, let me just buy 200. That 200 is 2.23.
Yeah, 2.23.
So the position is open.
You
can see it's already showing us minus 0.37 negative.
Yeah. So let me just ask 1 or 2 questions here. If you should, so how do you now apply that dollar cost average approach that we?
So now,
let me pause this video.
hello, Imoh, that means, you need to do a whole lot. Let me pause it. You need to do it.
Go ahead. We are live, Ayo. Can continue your discussion.
We are live, okay. So now, let's say I want to set another buy or buy, we are about 200 now.
Yes.
I want to set another buy at, let me just say 11.11. The one we bought now is, so let me buy another, let's say 200.
Okay.
Okay. I will just say long. So when they get to 2, this one will be on the queue. If you scroll down, you see open order, that one will be there.
Yeah.
Waiting. When you get to that price,
in case it goes down, yeah.
Yes. And here now you can see our risk level.
Is that making profit already?
Is that making profit? Our risk level is 1.2. Though at any point, I don't allow your when you're entering a trade, don't allow your risk to go above 4%, maximum of 4%.
Where are you saying that, please? Where are you saying that?
You see unrealized profit, in front of the realized profit, you see the percentage increase. Under the percentage increase, you see risk.
Unrealized profits. Is it on your screen right now?
On my screen, under unrealized profit is the unit quantity I opened, 200.
Yes.
Under it is the entry price.
Margin.
Then the next by the side is margin. That is, we use $2 from the 18.
Yes.
Then the market price is, market price is the current price. Then the next one is the return on investment, which is ROE. Under the ROE is the risk.
Yes, there's liquidation price now.
No, above the liquidation price, you see the risk.
Yeah, the risk. Yeah, I can see it.
Yes.
So what does that mean? What does that mean? You say it should not be more than
maximum of 4%.
Oh, so if you okay. So that means that we actually okay with 1.28% anyway.
For now, yes.
Does that change as the price goes up or comes down?
You are trading a single coin, so that will not, everything here will not change.
Okay.
It will only change when you increase the quantity.
Okay.
Do you get my point now?
Yeah, I guess. So
it
because our amount is small, okay, we are having 5%, but we are having just 12 cents. 12 cents.
We have already also have an open order of 200 at 0.11.
Yeah.
So that's it for now. Maybe
since we are logging it, can you set why not set a stop loss? Or have we said the trigger amount, the amount it should sell off, or is open ended?
You can set it too.
It's very important.
Now let's do it on your screen. I think it's better there.
Okay. So I think you
if you want to do it
here,
you see under here, you see the stop price at the middle is what you do. You click on it.
Yeah, stop price, stop loss. Yeah. Let's do it here now. Let's continue with it there. For mobile users.
Okay, so I should continue from here, right?
Yes, sir.
So now when you click, let me go back. You click on the stop profit / and loss. You click on it. When you click on it, you change the mark price to last price.
Okay.
Mark price to last price. You enter. This is called. You can see above it. You can see trigger price.
Yes.
Trigger price.
Yes.
So trigger price must be above your entry, your selling price.
Of course. That's where you should be.
Now, because we just entered the market, I don't want us to do the stop loss now.
Okay.
Because if not, before you know it, it will take us out.
Okay.
Okay, let me still go ahead and do the stop loss.
No, you can leave it.
Wait, don't worry. It's 0.009. 98. 985. Do you get now? 0.09. That is our. Now, if market drop to this price, it should just close. Do you get now?
Okay, because you selected last price. Last price.
Yes. Then here now again, I click on you come down again where you see that market price. You change it again to limit. You change it to limits. Okay. Now the limits so it will not be below your trigger price 0.982.
Oh.
You know the first one is 0.985. This one is 0.0982. Then if you are doing the 100%, that means to sell all. You can see that estimated profit and loss is -3. In other words, you only lose $3.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you get it now?
Yes.
So you click confirm. So when the market drops to that price, it will close it for you. Then let's go back again. Let's now do the take profit. Let's change this again. Let's change the SC price 0.1223. Okay. Let's change this one to the trigger price. Hope you understand what I mean by trigger price.
Yes, the price for action to take place now.
To put your selling price on the queue for sale.
Yeah.
For sale or buy. So it's 0.221. Okay. You can see your profit is showing you estimated profit is what? $21.
So that means that the trigger price is the price goes up to that amount. So what about the other price?
You can see that your open order is now 3.
Yeah.
The one that is still waiting to buy, and the other 2 take profit and stop.
Okay. So
any other question?
Can you go back and explain that stop loss again? Can you go back and explain it? Just open it. Just open it again and explain it further. Okay.
Let me cancel one of this one.
Okay.
Which one should I cancel? Should I cancel? No, I did take profit and stop loss at the same time.
Yeah. So
let me cancel. The stop loss is below your entry price.
The entry price, I know.
Stop loss.
I know. No, you put
profit.
Yeah. There's a take profit, there's the trigger price and the other limit price. Why do you set those 2 prices?
No, wait. The stop loss, what I call stop loss here, I did it at below market price.
Of course.
Why I did another one, take profit at higher price.
Yes.
Let me cancel this take profit and go back again. I'm going back here again. I click here. So now I change from market price to
last price.
Then the trigger price means now you want to be on the queue. When you want to be on the queue because of the market volatility, you need to first set a price that will trigger your selling price so that it will not jump. The market will not jump your selling price or buying price. Do you get it now? So once this one is ahead of time, before it gets to the second where the main action will take effect, once you get to this place, this one will quickly help you to push it on the queue. Do you get my point now?
That is the trigger price, right?
That is the trigger price. I want to do 0. Now this is stop loss now 0.985, 986. Then limit price is 0. What? 0. It must be below your trigger price.
Okay. So what does this price do? So what does this limit price do? What does it do?
The trigger price should be higher because let's say market is dropping. It will first get to this one before your main price.
Oh, okay. It will first of all get to the limit price before the last price.
It will get to trigger price. That trigger price will now go and put you on the queue.
Okay. I guess that it will not sell at this limit price 0.82, right?
Yes. Because of market volatility, that's why the 2 is very important.
Okay,
because if it's only limit price, there's a possibility that market will just jump you and be going down. But in this case, once you get to trigger price, trigger price will push your selling price to on the queue.
On the queue, yeah, get that. So that means that, so, and if market goes up again, it will not activate any of this here. It will just let it be, and
it will just be there. It will not activate. Probably you can now come back, just like I cancel it now. You can now come back again,
and readjust,
now,
reset it.
Readjust it. Reset. Maybe that now it's around 0.11. Maybe that go to 0.15. The 1.5 is already above your far above your entry price.
Yeah. So you want to now take profit so that in case so you don't even lose at all, you will just be at profit even if it goes below this profit.
So let's say it goes to 1.5 now, it does not even get to your take profit of 2.2. You can cancel it and do 1.2, 0.112 as your. Why is it called stop loss? Stop loss means it's below the current. Let's say if it goes to 1.5 now.
Yeah.
And you are now setting your stop profit at 1.2.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 1.2. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, 1.2 is still above your entry.
Price. Yeah, of course.
But meanwhile, it's still below the current market price. Because it's below the current market price, it's a stop loss.
Of course. Very clear. This is self-explanatory. Oh wow.
So you can see how this thing. Good morning, madam. So now, you know that some people doesn't even wait for 100%, 200%. Some people just wait for 10%. As if we have fund here.
Exactly. It's the fund that matters.
10% alone for some people is already like $1,000.
Yeah, of course. Of course. That is true. So there is no gainsay about that. Okay, that's cool.
That's good, right?
Yes, very clear.
So can we call it a day, or any question that you want to ask?
So for any if you're watching this video, please, if you have any question, because this is a long video, this is probably like 2 hours right now. If you're watching the video, please do click, drop your question in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you. As a matter of fact, I said in my future videos, I'm going to be showing guys TA. Okay, so that you can on your own analyze coin, look at if market is going up, so you can take long, or if market is coming down, so you can take short and engage the future.
There's another video we need to do. Another video, I told you, assuming we did our training today, we want to talk about tools to use in tools to use.
Yeah, that is also my next video in my episode too. So maybe we'll do that video together. Tools, very important. Tools are, please, let's not confuse it to AY. You know, there are other videos that I did about softwares and also social software too. There are also other tools.
I watched that social. I hope you will cover it. Maybe you need to do more, because you can see, can you see my screen? I'm trying to open
there are more apps. So I need to put that those basic apps. So as people go on into trading, there are a lot of more apps.
I don't see my own now.
Yes, I use I put the Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium,
and Reddit. Let me tell you the most used for crypto here. Number one is
Twitter.
I cannot really say Twitter
Telegram.
And Telegram.
So I mentioned those apps. I mentioned those apps there. I mean, if you watch the video,
Twitter and Telegram, then followed by Reddit and Medium.
Very important. So I mentioned it there.
Then Discord.
So I mentioned all those Facebook. Apps there. No, all those everybody has them. Everybody has Facebook. Everybody has WhatsApp. Everybody has
and they don't use Skype. Those ones. They don't use it. It's only your local community that you use WhatsApp for.
For international community.
For international community, they don't use WhatsApp. They don't use even Facebook. They don't use.
So it's cool. So we'll talk about the tools. Maybe we'll plan that class. We'll do like this. We'll plan a class. Maybe tomorrow if possible. So, but this video will go live today. It will go live today on my YouTube channel. So for those that want to learn about it and then make the best of it. Thank you so much, Ayo, for your time. Really appreciate you. We'll do more of this collaborative learning as we go on. And for those that will ask me 1 or 2 questions, I will do short video just to further explain what we have, because this should be about 2 hours right now. if not more. So, and we look forward to see you guys in on this. Thanks so much. Please click on this like video. Please like the video. Click on the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family that you want to help to also know how to earn money using cryptocurrency. And I will drop the fan page group in the description, so anybody that want to join can click and join. And we also have our learning group too. I'll join it too, so you can click and join up to have one-on-one interaction with either me or Ayo. All right, thanks so much. My name is Mo Friday, and Ayo in the building. It's from us. Is bye bye, and see you in another video.